Hey all, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get into a Prius hatch if the battery is dead, let's say, how to open it manually. So there is a way to get into it, and you could use this, for example, if the hatch latch is broken and it's not opening. Maybe the button failed, so you're pressing the button to unlock the latch but it doesn't open. Maybe your battery is discharged, then you have no booster cables or any way to boost it, so you can't get into the hatch because it doesn't open, because it opens electronically. So you want to get the battery out, let's say, and charge it because it's located in the back. So today we're going to show you how to get into the vehicle with a dead battery, completely mechanically unlock the rear hatch. So let's begin. So grab your key fob, flip it over, and locate this little slider right here. When you slide it over all the way like this, you'll be able to get the mechanical key out. Now use the mechanical key in the keyhole on the driver's door and turn it clockwise to unlock the front door. So now you can get inside the front door of the vehicle. Now get into the driver's seat, reach around the back and unlock the rear door. And now you can open it manually. Now you can reach inside and fold either one or both rear seats by using this folding switch on the corner of it, depending how much space you need to crawl into the hatch area in the back. Now that the seats are folded, you can crawl inside the rear hatch area through the back seat and locate this cover right here at the middle bottom of the rear hatch cover panel. Now you can use the same mechanical key, and there are two slots right here on this panel. So you can insert the key into the slot and you can open this little cover and pop it right off. Note this white piece of plastic right here. That's the cover that covers the release for the latch. Now this step can be just a little bit tricky. You need to pull this white cover just slightly towards you and then rotate it counterclockwise to expose the lever that you need to pull. It has a bit of a detent on it, so if you just push it to the left, it doesn't want to go. So you can pull it just a little bit towards yourself like this and then use another finger in there to rotate it counterclockwise. So there, I got it off the detent, and now you can rotate it counterclockwise, and inside there is a little metal lever. So I'm gonna see if I can show it to you a little bit better. It's inside, right inside this opening right here. So there's the little metal lever right here above this white plastic cover in this hole that we exposed. So you need to move it clockwise. So you gotta get your finger there and move this metal lever clockwise to unlatch the latch. And then while holding it in that position, you can push up, and that's how you can open this hatch manually. Hello. Well, now you can either rescue your trapped groceries from here, or you can get this battery cover out and remove the battery and charge it, or whatever you were planning to do here. I do have another video on how to get this battery out and reinstall it and initialize everything correctly. And now you can slide this white cover back in place all the way clockwise until it clicks. And then reinstall this little cover and clip it in. And there you go. That's how you get into the Prius hatch with a dead battery or a non-operational latch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota Prius maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.